Good day, everyone. I am Daniela Escardova, your teacher for the day. We're going to talk about understanding the seven principles of nature as a way to solve climate change. Are you ready to learn? Let's begin. The seventh principle of nature. Studying the structure and function of ecosystem is essential to understanding contemporary environmental challenges, specifically climate change. Today we will understand the seven principles of nature and we will try to know how to apply it or how can we use it to address climate change. Let's start with number 1. Nature knows best. Nature has evolved complex systems, and humans should not disrupt natural processes like nutrient cycling or ecological balances. Nature has its own natural process. As humans, we must respect and understand. The second one, all forms of life are important. The cockroaches, the ants, even the small animals are equally important because they have a significant role to achieve the stability of the ecosystem. Even though there are animals na you feel like it's not valuable, but it is because we have something called food chain. No, they contribute to the stability of our ecosystem. Third is everything else is connected to everything else. Ecosystem are interconnected and changes in one part can affect the entire system. We are connected with our environment. Now we connect as we have the relationship to the animals and we interact with our environment and we actually coexist. We exist for the other. And the fourth one is everything changes. Environment and organisms are constantly evolving through natural and human induced changes. The changes is not always good, sometimes it's bad. And our earth, the earth or our environment is actually destroyed because of the human induced because of human activities. No? And we have to take action with that. No, the increasing the global warming, the increase of greenhouse gases, the climate change. That is the changes of the earth, our climate, and it is something that is alarming. But we can still recover. We can still heal the earth if we choose to. Not if we just start to provide solutions. Then the fifth one is everything must go somewhere. Our waste won't just disappear. If we throw it, it won't just disappear. But it must go somewhere. That's why we need to be mindful. Then the sixth one is ours is finite earth. Earth's resources are limited. Everything that we have, the laptop that I used, and everything comes from our nature. And it is limited. And their use needs to be sustainable. Yeah, that's what we aim to achieve the sustainability for our generation and for the next generation. Na, it is sustainable for us. And the seventh one, the last one, which is so nice. Nature is beautiful and we are stewards of God's creation. Yeah, nature is very beautiful. It's a gift from God. And we are stewards of God's creation, meaning we have the responsibility to protect the earth and not to destroy it. I know everyone, each one of us loved our environment, and it's time to show our love with action. We need to fuel our love with action. I hope understanding the seven principles help you or help us to address the climate change. That's it for today. Thank you.